waiting to do this for quite some time. Yes, we finally broke down. Mother finally broke down and did it. Yes, sure did. Let's get this camera set up, shall we? Yes, indeedy. Goodbye, little chair. You've been good to us. You've been good to my mother. But it is time to say so long. Look at this. This whole thing. Kaboom. That has been giving me fits for I don't know how long, trying to fix that every time. Don't ever get a chair with a back with little things like this. It's just too flimsy. You can see what happened. All those broke. Here's the other chair right here. See that? One of those popped off, and then I thought I could fix it. I tried to fix it, and then another one came off. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, we were thinking about giving these chairs away, but we went ahead and we got some new chairs, and 2 of them were still good. And I thought, hey, let's save those, and let's save the pads to the other 2 chairs. These are my mother's dinette chairs, or they used to be. And so I took these off. That way, if the other chair pads were getting kind of old, and if some of them go bad, we can flip them around and change them out to the other pads. We were going to give these away, and I thought, nah, let's just save them. Goodbye, Mr. Chair. Oh, you poor thing. You poor thing, you. Boy, I almost cut myself there. That would have pissed me off had it cut me. Yeah, I wouldn't have liked that. Goodbye, Mr. Chair. Boy, this thing wasn't that strong, was it? Gotta fit it into the garbage can. I think that'll fit. Maybe I should break this too. Maybe I just should. Huh? What do you think? Oh, I don't know. Nope, it's not gonna do it. Okay. I better stop before I don't get as lucky. There's one chair down. That's the way. I like that. I like it a lot. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Chair. You've been good to us for quite some time. But all good things must come to an end. That's right. That's right. We got one more Mr. Chair to go. And I'm feeling good about this. And I hope I don't break my hand or cut myself. I should have gloves on, but boy, man, I got lucky. I got lucky right there. Look at this. Let's just see if I can do it this way. Oh, nope. Don't go beyond your limitations. You could hurt yourself. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. Yes. That feels real good. Goodbye. Mr. Chair. That's why I put toilet paper in my ears, so I didn't mess up my hearing by doing all that. Yep, we thought about saving the chair, but we just couldn't do it. Sometimes you gotta do something like this. Oh, that felt good. Ooh. I bet you want to see what we did to replace those chairs, don't you? Might save you some money, who knows?